Before our current understanding of safe waste management practices, waste materials from testing laboratories were managed in a way that often resulted in their release to the environment. The Colorado Department of Transportation, or CDOT, found this to be the case with their materials testing laboratory in Denver. By the time the problem was discovered, a large contaminant plume had developed, extending beyond the site and beneath nearby residential areas. Although the residents were not using the groundwater, vapors from the plume could potentially enter the buildings located above it.
So initially, the focus was on investigating and cleaning up the groundwater, but subsequent testing revealed that there was also a concern regarding the vapor intrusion pathway.
CDOT took immediate action by installing preliminary groundwater remediation systems and implementing an extensive indoor air program. But cleanup would not be easy.
Technical challenge we had on this project was how do we affect such a large aerial plume that resides in a geologic environment that's very tight, very low permeability.
A groundwater flushing system was installed to contain the contaminants and prevent migration, while an off-site system was used to enhance the natural biodegradation of the contaminant. The solution was effective, however the pace of cleanup was slower than expected and exceeded both the schedule and the budget. An Arcadis-led team of technical experts evaluated alternative strategies to maximize remediation and save costs. By working with the Colorado Department of Health and Environment, or CDPHE, the team focused on reducing contaminant migration by targeting the zones of highest groundwater flow. Based on successful pilot tests, the remediation systems were significantly modified. This resulted in a dramatic increase to the rate of cleanup. By 2012, the off-site plume had essentially been eliminated, several years ahead of schedule, and the groundwater flushing system was deactivated thanks to the success of the in-situ bioremediation. Further, air monitoring confirmed that the indoor air protection systems were no longer necessary, and the CDPHE concurred that no further action was required.
Hydraulic fracturing was used to enhance flows and increase the pace of remediation, and a cutting-edge in-situ bioremediation system was applied across the plume. Later on, as our understanding of site conditions improved and technology evolved, we converted the bioremediation system to a more updated technology, which dramatically increased the pace of remediation and lowered the cost. It's very important to remain adaptive throughout the project lifecycle and respond to project data and make course corrections as needed.
This remediation of a large contaminant plume has provided great value in eliminating the risks associated with vapor intrusion to the nearby residents and serves as a beacon of success, illustrating that these kinds of technical challenges can be solved.
It became a focus of national attention, resulting in the development of guidance that is in use around the country now. This is where the consultant involved did have the technical expertise to come up with the solutions necessary to clean up groundwater to the degree that this exposure pathway has been taken care of. They came up with these solutions that were not in common use. And so they were the first to propose them, they were the first to apply them, and the result was a success.
We had such a strong technical team that we were able to get everything accomplished that we needed to, way beyond what we ever anticipated.
There's benefit for the communities in the area. Their quality of life is improved, the potential for exposure has been eliminated, there's no threat to their property values. And there's protection of groundwater, one of the most important water resources in the state of Colorado.
This project achieved success through an aggressive, collaborative, and innovative remediation approach. But most importantly, this project delivered an improved quality of life for the community, allowing everyone to literally breathe easier.